we put forth certain issues that regarding the Mbbs, BAMS and BHMS quota. We can see, everybody can understand, even a layman can understand that this list, this quota list is flawed, in the sense that students in the past, it was practice that students in the Kasi Jantia category can also be in the open category. This will create more opportunities for the natives, for the Kasi Jantia and the Garos of Meghalaya. Because if a Kasi Jantia can get into the open category means open for everyone from Meghalaya. If they can get in the open category, then students from the waiting list of Kasi Jantia will get into the selected Kasi Jantia category. And this is not only with Mbbs but also with BAMS and BHMS. So we had a thorough deliberation with the officials of the government, and finally the government agreed that the list should be changed in accordance with what we have been demanding and in accordance of what was practiced in the past. Although they did mention that a certain clause of the standard operating procedure, that clause 9.6, which mentioned that a student can opt for either open or reserve category. Now, asking a student to opt for such categories is like putting a noose around their necks. You see, because a student will always choose a category that will increase his or her chance of getting a seat. There is only 15% open and 40% Kasijantia, 40% Garo. So naturally a student will opt for 40% because his chances are high. And this in turns will debar all the students from getting seats in the Kasijantia or Garo category. So we are demanding from the government that that certain clause of the SOP should be scrapped, and they said that they will look into the matter.